Hi guys, welcome to Longwang. This is Carol. Nowadays, machining parts are everywhere in our lives, including various materials such as aluminum alloy, titanium alloy, stainless steel, low-carbon steel, and plastic, etc. It is very important to choose the right material before production. The right material will save the processing cost and extend the service life. In this video, we will tell you what factors to decide the material for products. Hope you could learn something from this video. Keep watching! Number 1. Product usage areas. It's crucial to distinguish whether the product is intended for medical, automotive, aerospace, electronic equipment. For example, the material used to insulate a breathalyzer are different from the material to insulate cameras. They all serve in the same purpose but can't be used in the same way and same materials. Number 2. Processing environment. It's important to consider the machining environment. Temperature, humidity, and other potential contaminants can affect the processing process and the quality of the final product, such as cutting speed, tool material, and coolant. Number 3. Pass weight. Pass weight can affect the production cost and the performance of the final product. For example, the two products are in the same structure but from different material. Number 4. Heat resistance. When selecting materials, the melting point of the material must be lower than the operating temperature of the process, and the material must withstand the temperature. For example, stainless steel and titanium are ideal for aerospace and medical applications due to their high melting points and corrosion resistance. Number 5. Surface treatment. Surface finish affects the performance and the appearance of the final machined product. Some materials are easier to machine to a smooth surface finish than others. For example, metals such as aluminum and brass are relatively easy to machine to a smooth surface. Number 6. Product bearing capacity. High stress loss can cause some materials to deform or crack. When choosing materials for products, the product bearing capacity must be considered and then select appropriate materials to prevent product deformation. Number 7. Budget. Select the materials that meet the strength curves, temperature limits, and assembly requirements based on the function, type, use, and quantity of products. Compare material costs and choose the most suitable and cost-effective materials. Sounds completed, right? We have a professional engineering and technical team. If you have any needs, please contact us and we will provide professional advice for your project. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye!